I actually have a lot of things to do today, so sorry it's so close. I need to get a different lens. Well, actually, the reason why I woke up so late is A, I'm lazy, and B, I actually went to sleep at 7. Kiwi. Went to sleep at 7 this morning, so I'm finally waking up. Yeah, it's time to get ready.
Reporting live. How you doing, Mr. Potato?
What's up, guys? So I'm just walking Kiwi right now. I'm actually, well, I always have a dilemma, right? So I was gonna grow out my hair so I could finally film that perm video for you guys that you guys been wanting to see, but I'm gonna bleach my hair again because I haven't been filming myself lately because, you know, staying at home and stuff. Hey. Hey. Hi. Oh, you look cute.
I was like, whoop, thank you. I'm gonna go paint outside with my son.
Okay. You guys, Griffin's on. Hey. If you guys didn't know, Griffin is one of my favorite DJs. So he's playing right now. Yay.
Zoe, look at how big this is. Look, it's like half a piece. Look.
Oh my god. That's huge.
This is so big.
So big.
I love this song. I'm gonna record real quick. Hold on.
Yup, same. Welcome to my bathroom, and now we gotta get this situated. So I'm actually just gonna bleach my hair. I can't be looking like this. I was gonna grow it out, but you know, it's okay. I'm just gonna change it up. So I already have my bleach ready, and don't forget your gloves. Oh, say hi to the vlog. I'm filming. Hey. Yeah. It's my sister.
Hey.
I'm getting so many calls today. Wow. I just put the foil on so it can separate, and so the bleach doesn't touch the tips, right? All right. So once I have the back done, I just pretty much go on the sides and just fan outwards, and that's pretty much it.
One eternity later.
Let's see. Oh, you see that? Yeah. You guys, that's so good. I'm just chilling with Tool and Kiwi. I'm just waiting for my hair to process because I'm kind of lazy right now. So we're watching Sense8. It's so good on Netflix. So Tool and I finally made it out of the house. We got our face on. We're gonna go grocery shopping. So pray, you know, that we don't get, you know. Okay guys, so we attempted to go to Ralph's, but the line literally loops around the end of the corner because I guess it's a good time to go shopping right now. But anyways, update on my hair. So I can't talk with this. Literally went to the shower, washed my hair out. The blue's still there, but that's okay. It'll probably fade away. And I'll end up toning my hair a little bit, but although it looks decent, but yeah. All right, next door. You guys, I feel like every day is Black Friday here. Do peanuts go bad? No, they don't. Alright, put your food on the ground. Oh.
Oh, okay, she did it!
Oh, yay!
Oh, Grandma, happy birthday! Yeah, we made you a cake. Hi.
Ah,
Let's dress up for you.
so cute, Thomas. Wow. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Look at the candle.
Mom, hold the phone up like this a little bit. Up for your face, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I see you. Hi.
And get that too.
Okay, ready?
Okay, Bob, where are you?
1,
2,
2, 3,
3.
smile.
Yay! Oh, he's peace sign. He's the peace sign. Oh, sorry. Alright guys, so I'm ready for bed. It's been a long day, but I didn't get to do all the things I wanted to do today on the list, obviously, like fold clothes, organize, all that kind of stuff, but you know, we still have a long way for this quarantine, so hopefully you guys enjoyed everything that happened today, and yeah, see you guys later, more videos to come. Oh wait, I need to get back into my bed. Ah, that's better. Good night. Ah, come here. All right, Kiwi, say good night.
Night. Like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah!